First thing is teachers, the faculty in the GDC is so interactive. Whenever we ask doubt, they will respond to us very quickly and they will try to solve as soon as possible. So try to misread your comment or something. Every time I message GDC, every time they have responded well. My family also understood me so well, so they have also encouraged me, sir. So and also GDC, the faith I have in GDC is too much, and I can't actually tell in words. Yeah, I'm very thankful to GDC.
Hello everyone, welcome back to GDC classes. So dear students, as you all know, the NIPER results are out and once again the legacy of GDC is maintained by its students. Here we are again another topper like LALITHA who have secured all India rank 103 and she made the proud full moment for herself as well as for her parents. Welcome to Toppers Talk series, Lalitha. How's your feel now? And what are your experiences about this NIPER examinations?
Hi, sir. This is unbelievable. So I'm so happy right now. Actually, being topped in the NIPER is one thing, and being interviewed by the GDC is also another thing. So I'm so happy right now.
Okay, so Lalitha, you have seen the result, and what was your feel after seeing the result? Like, yes, the dream that you have thought of 1 year or 2 year before, now that dream accomplished. It's like that kind of situation, and 103 rank is itself toppers rank. What was your feel at that time, at that moment?
Actually, at first I thought I'm so afraid because I don't think. Actually, I haven't thought that I would score 103. But yeah, right now I'm very satisfied with my marks.
Okay.
There were a lot of hurdles you should actually go through while achieve this rank, and yeah, the preparation must be so hard also.
So Eltha, how you got to know about this GDC and how and when you have joined the courses of the prime batch?
Actually, my seniors also took GDC classes, so they told me that GDC is a good platform. Yeah, so that's how I got to know GDC, sir.
Okay. And you just talked about the hurdles. What
Yeah.
was the hurdles that you have seen during this preparation journey of yours, like GPAT or NIPER?
As I said before, I'm also a 2024 batch student, but because of my health issues and all, I couldn't perform well. I couldn't actually revise from the before 6 months of the NIPER 2024. I have faced a lot of health issues. So, but still, I ranked in top 1073 or something. My rank is that. Then I have got confidence. Okay, if we give another 1 year, then maybe I can top 100 too. So that is then I couraged up myself, and my family also understood me so well. So they have also encouraged me, sir. So and also GDC, the faith I have in GDC is too much, and I can't actually tell in words. Yeah, I'm very thankful to GDC.
Okay. So Lalitha, you have joined the courses, the classes started as you all like you already have the previous course as well. What are your experience during the classes? What was the interactions with the teachers? What kind of feelings do you got to know about the teachers? What is the biggest like good things about each teachers do you have?
First thing is teachers, the faculty in the GDC is so interactive. Whenever we ask doubt, they will respond to us very quickly and they will try to solve as soon as possible. So try to misread your comment or something. Every time I message GDC, every time they have responded well, sir.
Okay, and thus this kind of results you have achieved. This made you as well as your parents proud. Now, Lalitha, just talking about like the mock tests and the MCQ practices. How much these things are important for securing good ranks in these kind of examinations?
MCQs are really important. No matter how much you study, without solving MCQs, you can't reach the top 100 because while solving the MCQs, you get a lot of doubts and a lot of theories actually goes on in your mind, whether it is correct or not. So while doing the MCQs, only MCQs make you a better version of yourself. I feel that.
And test series, how much important test series are for when we are having the test series, we are competing with the students that are actually going to give the examinations of this NIPER and GPAT. How much test series do you think are important for like these kind of practices?
Test series also really important, because when you do the test series, there were also other candidates who are doing test series now, sir. So you feel competitive when you do it, because everyone are ranking top 10, but you're lacking, right? Then it gives you further motivation that okay, everyone are ranking, I'm the one lacking the marks, so you get motivated. And yes,
the marks you have just talked about, is the marks always good with the tests, or there were times like yes, the marks are not coming, we are doing our 100% best, but the marks isn't are that much of a satisfactory level? How do you
at the
deal with that?
beginning, at the beginning you won't get satisfied with the marks, because they were very low. I used to get 220, 200 marks, so I feel a little demotivated by while revising everything. And so when you do a MCQ, you get a doubt, so that doubt makes you revise again and again. So yeah, that is how then in the last 2 months or 3 months I'm getting marks about 300 above or something. So yeah, I think you should do it, and you should work on yourself. No matter how low you're getting the marks, you have to work on yourself and you have to reach your target. That is what I can say.
Okay.
We shouldn't get demotivated at all.
Okay, Lalitha, now talking about how much do you think like these kind of test series that the GDC have provided you helped you during these kind of examination, and this the rank you have secured, how much that test series are helped you in this kind of result?
As I said before, test series helped me a lot, sir, because a few points weren't there in modules. So those extra points will be covered in the test series, and you can note it down, and also you can practice again and again. So yeah.
Okay. Now talking about like where Lalitha is going to have admissions, which NIPER is Lalitha thought about, and which branch do you think like yes, I'm going to this branch to take admission in this kind of branch?
So actually, every Nigerian dream is to get into Mohali. So this is the same for me. Yeah, I'm actually trying for the MBA too. By
Okay.
God's grace, I have to do the group discussion well too.
Oh, not a non-issue. We can have a session like in this kind of things, like the sessions regarding the NIPERs. Which branch do you have to go with the like the alumni? We will going to help you in that kind of cases as well. Now, let's start talking about like how much modules are important and how modules helped you during this preparation journey.
That my entire preparation are done in the modules only, because I haven't gone through any specific textbooks, I mean reference books and all. My everything I did it in my modules, because everything will be there in the modules. That is so yeah, I think modules helps you a lot, and it just gives you a shortcuts to everything. You don't need to go to the reference books for again and again. So modules really helps you a lot, sir.
Okay. Lalita, the challenges. What do you think, like the challenges that a student or an aspirants of these kind of examination faces during its preparation journey, and how you overcome to those challenges?
I'm a dropper student, so everyone thinks that so she's a drop student, she have plenty of time to study, but that is not uh, true. A dropper student have a lots of pressure when compared to the B Pharm ongoing
Getting
student,
experience.
because when a B Pharm student, when I'm studying in my B Pharm, I'm preparing for my exam. So my fellow friends are also studying for the for in NIPER now. So when I look at them, I get motivated. Okay, they are studying, I have to also study. But when you sit at home and study, you feel the monotony hits a lot, sir. And at some point of time, you feel like giving up, and you have to work through that. You have to motivate yourself, and you have to progress yourself, and no one actually comes and tells you to study. I think only GDC does that to me. They only motivated me. Yeah, and it is so hard to sit at home and just study all day, and you don't find anything, only four rooms, four walls around you. And yeah,
And
it's very hard.
okay, now just one thing. What do you think about the GDC now, and what are your thoughts about the GDC?
I have completely trusted GDC since I'm a 2024 candidate. I have that's why I took the repeater batch again. I have completely trusted GDC. They teach you really well. I actually am very much afraid of the organic chemistry, to be truth, because I couldn't solve any one MCQ. I know you are a genius in at least Pati sir, I know you are a genius in organic chemistry. It gets so easy for me when you taught us organic chemistry. Okay, this is it. All you need to is focus. You have to follow the classes, and then you have to work on yourself. You have to practice. You have to solve the MCQs. And GDC helped me that. And organic chemistry is, I'm so afraid of it. I'm very genuine. I'm so afraid of organic chemistry. Now I'm very good at organic chemistry. I think I have gained most of my marks in organic chemistry only this time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, Lalita, what are your experience? Like, why your junior students, junior fellows must try to compete in these kind of examinations? And what are your thoughts about this?
Sorry, sir.
What
According
are your thoughts about your juniors? Like, yes, they should join these kind of examinations. They should go for these kind of examinations. What are your thoughts to, or what are your views for your juniors?
what I wanted to say is don't just waste your time on roaming in college because uh, in my uh, in my time in my B form I thought I have plenty of time, but when you just look back and when you look back at yourself, the time goes easily and you don't actually have time. You don't find the right way. A lot of my juniors have studied themselves, and actually a student must have a right path and the right schedule to study for this type of examination. So I definitely tell them to join a few platforms other than self study. Of course self study also works for them, but they should have the proper clarity. That is what I want to say. Whatever you're studying, you must have the clarity and you must know what you are studying. Don't just go with the flow.
Okay.
That is what I want to say.
Okay. So I hope this kind of result will be continued and the better result, a better rank for the GPAT 2025. There will be a name of the Lalita as well, and we will be again having an interview with her. So thank you so much, Lalita, for joining with us, for connecting with us, for sharing your thoughts about this kind of preparation journey. And I hope we are going to meet in the GDC Facilitation program as well, where the physical meetup with the students and your teachers will be there. Thank you so much, and we, with the whole GDC family, we wishing you all the very best for your bright future. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. It's my pleasure.